Welcome back to Life on Greenwood. I'm going to show you how to use the scrap wood to make a wooden lantern. I'm participating in a collab today that's being hosted by Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner, and it's called the Summer Lantern Collab 2020. I'll be DIYing a lantern made from scrap wood from the garage. I'll be using some scrap wood, 18-inch pieces for this particular lantern, a wooden top and a base, wood glue, 1-inch nails, a finial, and some chalk paint. So what I've done first is use some glue to get the pieces of wood to stand up the legs, and also put the base and the top on. And I used 1-inch nails to hammer in those legs and the top of the base. Next, I'm going to take it outside because I realized I think I needed another piece to add to the top. So I cut some more wood, and first I'm going to use the wood glue to take that, to glue that piece on top, and then add the finial, screw in that finial. So next I'll be using Valspar chalky paint to paint the lantern. And I've used this Valspar before in a project, and I'll link that as well. If you're interested in seeing a full DIY of this lantern, because I plan to make another one, please leave me a comment and I'll leave you do a more detailed DIY of this lantern. But these are the results. I think it's great. And you know what? It has some imperfections that I don't mind. After all, this was wood right from my garage. So again, if you like a more detailed DIY of this lantern, I'm going to do another one, so let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me do a fuller DIY of this lantern. I plan to make a smaller one. So I brought the lantern inside and I set it on my dining room table, which was already staged from another challenge. And I think it looks great in the dining room too. I added some pink tulips that I got from Amazon. And a jar, and just had that black and white gingham ribbon around it from a previous project. I'm quite happy with the way this turned out, and I don't mind the hole so much. I thought about maybe I'd go back in and fill it with some wood filler. I'll decide later on, but I don't mind the imperfections. I think that's what makes it, gives it character. So if you'd like to see me DIY another lantern and just give you a fuller and more depth detail of how I made these lanterns, please leave me a comment. I'm going to make a smaller one. I'd be happy to share that with you. Thank you, Kenya, for hosting this collab. Please be sure to check out the playlist and Kenya's channel. They'll be listed in my description box. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so, so much.